Welcome back. My name is Beata, and as you know, I'm running on YouTube a series of FTP sessions. The reason for this is because there is a lot of questions, and I receive comments and emails, LinkedIn questions, all questions on LinkedIn regarding how to set up the curve, how to shape the balance sheet through the FTP curve construct. And yes, you are right. There are a lot of techniques which leads to the shaping of the balance sheet through FTP, strategic FTP process. One of these could be the management overlayer, which is applied to the FTP curve construct. This is very structural tool because you are shaping the whole structure of the curve. So you are impacting both asset and liabilities at the same time, especially if you are using one curve for asset and liabilities. So you can dampen the curve if you want to achieve the asset momentum. So if you want to originate more long-term asset, you will be dampening the curve on the medium long end, and you will be therefore charging less FTP rate for assets, but at the same time, they will be just the opposite outcome to the liabilities. There is another tool which is incentive premium, which is related to the more targeted strategy of the bank for the specific product. I've received questions regarding how to set up the FTP curve in such a way that it will be supporting the business objective of the firm. Because yes, you are right. FTP is not one size fits all tool. It is supposed to benefit the strategic objective of the company. And it depends how, if you want to originate the asset momentum, as I said, if you want to increase the behavioral liabilities in the funding structure, or if you just want to use the FTP as the asset pricing tool, or if you want to steer the whole balance sheet through the FTP process. This is known as the strategic FTP. So there are many objectives. We spoke about that, but sometimes I get questions, yes, but about how we can structure the curve. What are the main steps if you want to support your business objectives? So you know what, I was thinking, and I decided to organize the 3 hour session, which let's say could be next week on Saturday, because of course I'm working during the week. So I will walk you through, if you are happy to join, I will walk you through in person, so through the virtual connection, through those techniques. And I will show you one case study how to set up the FTP curve based on the specific needs of the company. And then we can set it up step by step. Also, I would like to show you how to dampen the curve, because there are different techniques. It's not, just let's dampen it by whatever number is there. It is very specific, very calibrated number, and this number has to come up from the certain, calculation. So it's a more analytical approach to come up with this. And yeah, if you are happy to join, just drop me an email. You can see the email on the page. I will share the link with you, and we can join, and speak in person. Everyone who is interested, I invite you to join, and let's discuss it in person, because it's quite interesting topic. I can tell you absolutely. Just on the separate note, I finished and submitted the long chapter on FTP curve construct to the ILM handbook, which will be published by Risk Books. and it will be published probably this year, but I have no more details. Plus, there is one specific FTP topic which is covered in my third book, Bank Treasury Management, which will be published by the end of this year within the Professor Murat Chanri series, financial book series. So yeah, I invite you to look at this if you are interested, and whenever it is fine with you. For now, it's all. I hope to see you present during this course. Or during this weekend, I'm going to record another 15, 30-minute session on FTP. So hopefully I can see you again. Have a lovely weekend, and hopefully I will see you next week. Bye bye.